Hi, I'm Marla Bagetta. I invite you to join me and my students as we proudly enter the 6th year of monthly pastel painting lessons online. I'm thrilled to share this new chapter with you because I believe it will be our most important yet. Our extensive library now boasts hundreds of hours of video lessons designed to inspire, educate, and help you grow as an artist. Think of it as a gym membership or a movie streaming service where the aim is to enjoy, stay motivated, and continuously improve with fresh content. This year, we'll immerse ourselves in my unique methodology for mastering fundamental art principles and practices, delivering crucial insights and techniques to boost your skills and amplify your creative expression. So what's new in year 6? Prepare yourself for a captivating journey through a rich array of topics designed to ignite your imagination and supercharge your artistic growth. Each session of our monthly pastel painting lessons online is dedicated to exploring a specific theme encompassing fundamental principles and fascinating subjects. Get ready to dive into an extraordinary collection of painting sessions that promise to transform your creative practice. From mastering the concept of unity and embracing the elegance of simplicity to unlocking the secrets of composition and the mesmerizing interplay of value and light. Each topic offers a unique chance for artistic expression and profound growth. We'll also venture into the intricacies of form, the dramatic impact of proportion and scale, and the dynamic rhythm of visual elements, and the enchanting world of color. Additionally, we'll explore the subtleties of edges, the tactile allure of texture, and the profound significance of subject choice, and the refinement of advanced techniques. So join us on this exhilarating adventure where each lesson is crafted to elevate your skills, expand your creative horizons, and make your artistic journey truly unforgettable. Within each session, you'll find multiple videos, step-by-step demonstrations, and comprehensive study guides. I'll also add monthly wrap-up lessons to deepen your understanding and mastery of the subject matter. We've introduced learning pathways to help you navigate our extensive library. These guides offer a structured order of lessons tailored to specific aspects of painting or experience level. Stay tuned for new pathways covering each of the 12 principles we'll be studying this year. Monthly pastel painting lessons online are designed to provide you with a comprehensive and relevant curriculum, keeping you engaged and inspired. To empower you as a pastel painter, I'm pleased to introduce the Enhanced Mastery Mindset. This feature helps you to delve deeper into each month's topic. Breaking free from traditional linear progression, you'll engage consistently with foundational principles, exploring each theme with greater depth and understanding. I'm delighted to announce the continuation of Art Speak, where candid conversations and lessons with modern masters place you at the heart of an artistic community. This year, I'm so excited that my friend Tony Elaine will feature a lesson or demo each month alongside a new wave of esteemed guests. This makes it a year you absolutely cannot afford to miss. We'll also continue with Inside the Artist Studio, featuring videos of my personal process, behind-the-scenes insights, and candid reflections. As a member, you'll have access to my monthly mileage training archive, which includes 2 years worth of weekly exercises. These short exercises are designed to hone your skills and keep you engaged daily, even with limited time. Each month, subscribers get 2 live lessons, an in-depth super stream that follows the month's topic, and a 2-hour critique session offering direct paths to improvement. I pride myself on providing positive and actionable feedback that will help you succeed, whether your goal is to be more satisfied with your work or to get into shows and galleries. I'll help you do it. And finally, as a member, you'll have access to our exclusive Facebook group, where you'll find a supportive community of artists. Watching my members grow and progress is one of my greatest joys. For those who wish to dive deeper into specific topics, I offer individual online workshops with exclusive discounts for members. This subscription offers an extraordinary value, rivaling any other source in the world of pastel painting. Join our thriving community of artists and ignite your creativity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, our lessons are the ultimate resource to help you elevate your skills and expand your artistic horizons, develop your unique style, and reach your personal artistic goals. With flexible payment options and a 30-day money-back guarantee, there's no reason to wait. So what are you waiting for? Start your artistic adventure today and experience the transformative power of pastel painting with us.